four of my friends, we started to launch a business 2 years ago. The business name is Inbo.
When I was 5 years old and my mother and father had a friend who was a cabinet maker. And I remember walking into his workshop and the smell of the wood, I loved it. It just touched me, and every time we went to visit there, I only wanted to be in there. I didn't want to go play with the other friends. I just wanted to be in the wood workshop looking at the wood. And that was the beginning of an incredible love and a passion for woodwork and being involved with wood, yeah. I'm booked for the next 5 years. I'm fully booked. It's astonishing, and yeah, it's amazing. My name is Mark Maingard.
Buying wet lumber from a mill, drying it myself, found that to be pretty easy, so I figured I could try even further. So I started going to the woods and getting trees and having them come up into lumber. And then I started actually cutting lumber myself. And to where the point we're at right now is I'm building a sawmill in my backyard.
And then I work with my soon-to-be in-laws, and that business is Woodland Centre, so we kind of work together.
I would advise get into it, because what else are you going to do? Sit at home and watch television the rest of your days? Do something that matters and that counts in life.
It's just a lot better than sitting in a normal class, hands-on and stuff, and woodworking, it's once again a lot better.
My name's Tim Kissler. I'm the superintendent of the Peyton School District in Peyton, Colorado. I've been superintendent here for 14 years, and we've been looking for some type of vocational program to be able to start here. We have over 70% of our students going to college, but we still had a need for students to be able to go into a vocation or go into where they could use your hands.
Hi, I'm Raymond van Barneveld. I'm 5 times champion of the world. I'm here in Yeovil to visit my new sponsor, Triton Tools. It's always important to get new sponsors. They're really important because we travel all the world. So if a sponsor is with you, it's fantastic. Wow.